Welcome back, y'all. Good morning. Welcome back. First things first, glory be to God for a brand new day that hasn't happened yet. It feels like this day already happened, but it's a brand new day. We don't know what's in store, what's going to happen now, what's going to happen later, but all we know is we're just going to have to take heed in the moment. Like I said, guys, first things first, glory be to God, man. Can't be mad. You woke up mad, be happy. You woke up sad, be joyful. You woke up confused, just give it to the Lord. Give your troubles, give your worries, give your stress, give your anxieties, depression. Surrender it to the Lord. Don't fight these battles that are not your battles, okay? Don't fight these battles that are not yours. Give it to God. These are not your battles. Your stress, your anger, your anxiety, your bad mood. If you woke up depressed, woke up worrying, surrender to the Lord. Give it all to God. Don't try to fight these battles by yourself. You can't do it. It's going to just take you down and wear you down. It'll take you down and wear you down. Hey, what's up, Kelly? It's going to just take you down and wear you down. Give your troubles to the Lord. Surrender yourself to Him, and He will save you. All right, let's see what we got here. Actually, I forgot to download my stuff. Hold on. Give me a second. I got to download the scripture. I thought I had it up, but I'm too busy looking at TikTok. I thought I sent it. Hold on. Gotta get this word out. Market opens up in, well, market volume gonna be spiking in 8 minutes, y'all. So I'm about to send this scripture over real quick. Pretty chill scripture, nothing too crazy to get y'all all like, what's going on? But like I said before, guys, if you just get in here, give your cares, your worries, your depression, your stress, your anxiety, your anger, your laziness, surrender it to God. Don't fight these battles by yourself. All right? Don't fight them by yourself. Give it to the Lord. And you will become whole. And He will save you. And He will give you what you need. He will sustain you. All right, here we go. All right, just downloaded the word. Let's get it. Downloaded that word. Bop. Got one more coming up. Give me a second. Bop. Let's get it. We got Psalms chapter 7. We got Psalms chapter 71, verse 20. Though you have made me see troubles, right? Though you have made me see troubles, many and bitter, lots of troubles in our life, you will restore my life again. You will restore our life again from the depths of the earth. You will again bring us up. You will increase our honor and comfort us once more. God, sometimes we don't call on God all the time. We don't call on the Lord a lot. We don't. Wake up in the morning, you're like, okay, TikTok. Wake up in the morning, all right, go get some food, get something to eat. We don't say thank you, Lord. We don't really pray like we're supposed to. We don't read our Bible like we're supposed to. And God has allowed us to meet many troubles in our life. We have it since for our lack of calling on Him, us falling down, us being depressed, us being stressed out, us having problems in our life, us being worried. We leaned on our own understanding, which caused us to fall in our own demise. Right? Us leaning on our own wisdom has caused us to fall on our own. It says right here, though you have made us see troubles. You're like, where's God? If God loves us so much, why hasn't He just taken me out of these hard places? God loves you enough to give you free will to let you do what you want. And when you're ready to go to Him, you call on Him. Right? If you're ready to seek Him, you seek Him. But He has let us see many troubles. He sat back and let us do whatever. And one day, like He said, He will restore our life again from the depths of the earth. He will bring us up again. He will increase our honor. And He will comfort us once more. Now, if you're in discomfort, you call on the Lord, He will comfort you. Okay? So I got a psalm for you right here from David. We got Psalms chapter 23, verse 1. The Lord is our shepherd. He is our shepherd, right? We have all that we need. We have all that we need. He let us rest in green meadows. He lead us beside quiet waters. He renews our strength. He guides us along the right paths, bringing honor to His name. Even though we walk through the darkest valley, We will not be afraid, for he is close beside us. His rod and his staff will protect and comfort us. All right? He is our shepherd. He is our Lord. We call on him. He will protect us. He will guide us. He will bless us. He will give us wisdom. He will give us discernment. He will put you on the right path. Just call on him. When you wake up, call on him. When you eat, call on him. When you're stressed out, worried, depressed, nervous, anxiety, just anything that just got you under the sun, call on him and he will deliver you. And that's a promise. All right, let's get into it, y'all. Let's get it. Let's get it. Market's about to open up in like 4 more minutes. 4 more minutes. I caught a little quick trade on gold right here. Let me show y'all. Just a quick trade on gold. Nothing too crazy. Only went like 5 micros in it. See? Right here, boom. Gold. Quick little move. I took this short down to this. And yeah. See if we can find another trade. See if we can get some more trades going on. Market about to open up in a few. What's up, Abdul? Good seeing you in the chat. Market about to open up in a few minutes. 3 more minutes. We're about to get some volume kicking in this market. I'm gonna look at some more ticks real quick, some tickers or instruments or whatever you want, indices or commodities, whatever you want to call it. All right. Put this up. All right, let's see. We got gold right here. Let me change this one. Let me try Dow. Let me try the Dow. See what we got. The Dow Jones. Dow Jones. This thing looking long. Hold up. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Dow Jones looking long. But we are underneath the, what you call it. Alright. Man, that's good seeing y'all in the chat, bro. I pray that word gets to you. I pray the Lord blesses y'all. I pray that y'all have a good day today. I pray that he reveals himself to y'all and that you can't deny him. That you know it's him. He's always beside you. He's always with you. He's always see what you're doing. He knows what you're doing. He knows what you're gonna do before you do it. He knows. So make sure that you give your ways, give your thoughts, your actions, and your words to the Lord, and he will sustain you. All right, let's see. He will sustain you. All right, we took out these lows. Let's see if we can go back up to these highs on YM. I'm liking this. Like 30 minutes left on a 4-hour. Go for this imbalance right here, maybe. I'm liking this. Pop. 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 We're gonna see. Alright, that's YM. I like it. I'm thinking this. This is what I'm thinking on YM. Something like this. I just need a tight stop. Never mind. Keep that like that. Alright, let's look at another one. Let's look at crude oil. Let's look at crude oil. Crude oil, looking shorty short. Crude. Yeah, no. I'm not feeling it. All right, let's look at platinum. Look at platinum. Let's see what we got. Let's see what we got. See if we need any type of range. See. A little rangy, but it's okay. Clear this. Brody, I used to watch you like 3 to 5 years ago doing reaction pranks with your girlfriend. I hope you and your family are good. What's up, Reen? Thanks for watching. I appreciate you even showing love and support, even joining. Appreciate it. Market's open, y'all. Let's get it. Market's open. We getting a nice little pump on NQ. Let me see. 4-hour pump. Let's see if we can go for these highs. Let me see. Ooh. Let me go back to gold. Let me go back to gold. Let me look at RB real quick. Look at RB. Gasoline. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that alone. I'm gonna go back to gold because I was liking the move on that. Gold. Got gold right here. Alright. Might even look at MES. Look like we can go long, y'all. Let me see. Could go long. Let me see. 15 minutes. Hey, yes, sir. Back in. Jesus loves us. Yes, he does. Yes, he does. What? Yes. Of course. There's no question about it. There's no question about it. His love for us. Will you ever come back, make YouTube videos or make music? I'm not making music no more, for sure. I'm not doing that. And make videos, yeah, but it's gonna have to be different from crazy pranks, because I feel like that's just for like, I feel like pranks are like for new couples that like kind of came up, girlfriends and boyfriends, that, you know. But I wouldn't do it, man. Finding Jesus, man, and putting God in my life, it changed my whole perspective on how should I do videos and what should I be feeding y'all. You know, and I feel like pranks are so centered around destruction and emotional ups and downs that I gotta stay away from it, man. I'm not into it no more. I just feel like it's just not healthy. It's not good. It's good. It's probably nice, funny entertainment, but I can't do it no more. I might have to do something else, honestly. I don't know. And especially when I have kids now, it's like I don't even want to be throwing them all on. You know what's crazy? I mainly took the kids off social media for that reason. I didn't want to cloud them with them being. I didn't want to cloud my kids being on social media and them being around just the idea of strangers watching them. I just kind of stepped back from that. So at a point where you start using your kids a lot and you can start using them for money, and I had to step back from that. I felt like it's not a good thing. Just throwing them, like, you know, they didn't even get consent to being on camera or being consent to being all in front of a lot of crowds of thousands of watchers. So I made the decision just to step back from doing that. I'm pretty sure anybody gonna watch me just prank my girl all day. That's dead. That's for like new couples. So I don't know. I just feel like there's more out here than just pranks and challenges over and over again. Then you be pushing 30 and 40 still doing pranks and challenges. Nah, that ain't it. That ain't it. All right, it's fake, bro. Remember this: reality. I mean, fiction is more real than reality. Fiction seems more real than reality. It is. Everybody wears a mask, bro. It's not real. I could tell you a lot. I could tell you a lot about social media. All the people I've met, bro, it's not real. None of this stuff is real. It's all facade. It's all an illusion. Only thing real is the Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, right? The only one that's real, the one that allows us to go through struggles and to pick us up, right? The one that's gonna bring us out of the hell, the one that's gonna give us His honor, right? The one that's gonna show His glory and His mercy. This is the one that we need to be walking with, seeking. Everything on this earth is gonna fade away. Everything in heaven is gonna fade away. He said He's gonna create a new heavens and a new earth. He said, why store your treasures on earth where roaches and maggots and thieves gonna get to it? Store your treasures in heaven, creating that relationship with God. You know, why store all of your treasures and store all your riches on here, where it's gonna be gone one day? Ain't nothing wrong with having the stuff, and nothing wrong with having riches. But why store it as if like it's gonna be here forever? It's not. Remember, there's gonna be a last day, and that's gonna be the last day. Gonna be the last day. Gonna be judgment. So we gotta make sure that we walking in that faith, that truth with God, being obedient to God, following His path, following His word, following His commandments. Because if it doesn't produce good fruit, why are we doing it? You know, either we walking in the spirit or we walking in the flesh. The flesh is weak, but the spirit is willing. Are you going to walk in that spirit every day, or are you going to walk in that flesh every day? Feeding and indulging in yourself that's senseless and I don't know, man. I just can't find myself doing it again. I can't do it. It's distasteful to me. Look at this. Look at this market, man. It's getting aggressive. Highly aggressive. ES2. I got ES as confluence with NQ. I wish I had QQQ up here though, but that's cool. I'm gonna put this up as, what's that? 15 minute, 30 minute. Bop. Do this right here. Once we get some more volume and some more, like, once we get some more development in this market, then I'm gonna take a trade. I don't like it how we in this range though. I like how we took out this low. I like how we bounced right here. Look at the daily. I like how we came into this open order block right here. See if we could just, I mean, we may not do anything today. We might just consolidate in this range, but we're gonna see. We're gonna see. I would like to see us push and take out these highs. You know what? This is not even a previous day low. I'm tripping. This is, yeah. This looks good. Actually, let me see. Might even do a 5 minute just to get it. Let me see. This look real good. Damn, that thing just dropped. Yeah, pranks did fell off, my boy. Doing reaction, homie, it's still the wave. No like Shaq, it's still going strong. No wave. Reactions is crazy. I don't know. If I do reactions, it's gonna have to be like live stream. I can't just I can't post no more, bro. That's just the wave of post. The wave of uploading videos is streaming now. I just couldn't do like post no more. You know, it's so crazy being. You know, I never thought I'd be an OG to something. That's crazy to me. I always thought I'd be like in a new wave, but you know, once you do something and then you become that generation of doing it, you become the OG of doing it. So if you are 25, you're becoming an OG, pretty much. An OG. Still in this range. Took out some highs. We're gonna see. We got a couple. We got a few more minutes until that 4-hour Prince though. I'm still holding on. Make this color a little deeper. Something like something. I'll go back to blue. I'll go back to blue. I might make it a little darker, like that. But that was a nice short that I missed. Still waiting, y'all. We got news at 9 too. If you have any more questions, just let me know in the chat. If I don't answer, I'm gonna refocus on trading though. took out that low. That should have been my long. Still gonna wait for it though. I still want this opening range to like play out. Dang, my little hairs be coming out. Still patient, still waiting. Nice little push though. Let me look at this a little bit more. Let me look at this again. Market is aggressive though. We still got news and like, let me see. Let's see. Yeah, 9 o'clock. Consumer confidence report. And some stuff later on though. Okay. Mm-hmm. That was it. Well, see if it followed through. That was a nice move. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. How did I miss this? How did I miss this? How did I miss this? Dang, that Russell was it. That was a nice move on Russell. That was a nice move on Russell. Oh, that was a beautiful trade. Wow. Yeah. Oh well. Well, it happens. It happens. See if I can find another one that's given. Try crude oil. Crude oil still a little rangy. Crazy spike. Alright, I'm gonna go back to MES. Put this up real quick. Give me a sec. Yeah, NQ is not playing with y'all. Alright, here we go. Let's look at this. Took out the highs, going from the lows again. Let's see. Let's see, 15. I'm about to get rid of this. What else do we have right here? 15. Look at the 5. That was a perfect trade right here too. At 720, that was perfect. That was actually really perfect. 720. At 4. We got 13 minutes left on the 4 hour. So I'm just still being patient though. Market's still aggressive. I had missed that Russell trade. That was a good trade. Russell trade. If y'all seen that trade, that was a good one. I don't know how I missed that. And I already had a line up there. Well, it is what it is. Let's try gold. See what gold doing. Still sitting around. Well, wait a minute. Wait a minute. I liking this. I think I'm liking this trade. Oh, and Q. My goodness. A lot of volume, y'all. A lot of volume. Wow. Short term, this market is short. Long term, this market is still long. But this look like it wants to go short. I mean, we're already in this order. We're already in this block. That's what's crazy. Can we bounce in this? Are we bouncing in this? Or are we coming back down for these shorts after hitting this block right here? Look like I want to take out some more lows. Yes, it's below the previous day low though. And Q is at the bottom. All right, let's see. See if you're gonna respect this. No, give me a chance to kind of reject up here. Give me a chance up here, bro. Come on now. Yeah, it's not giving. News in like 10 minutes. Macro time is approaching too. Yo, this is about to be a serious market. If this thing tanks, this is it. I just need to see where I can get in. Market is looking short term. Bouncing off this order block, tapping into that. Let's see, for on a 4 hour. Yeah. Let's see. We'll see. We gonna see. Get rid of this inversion. I feel like that's cap. This right here is where it's at. 4 hour FBG. Let me get rid of what's behind me. That's annoying. There we go. I mean, y'all know what this is, right? Y'all see 23,000. You know that's NQ, and you know right here you can see the ticker right here, but you can't see this one. You just can see this one, but this one is NQ. Y'all can see it. I should have took that short off this too right here, but that was too fast. That was the move right here. This right here was the move. I missed it. Yeah, I should have known. That was it. What time frame you on? What time frame am I on? Dang, you know you're right. Maybe I do need to maybe I do need to put the thing back up so y'all can see it. See it right here? 25. Wait, not 25. I mean 3 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute. You see it. Took out those lows. Tapped that bottom. Took out those lows. Tapped that bottom. I missed it again on a 5-minute. Market is a little rangy though. These are nice scalps, especially on the 5-minute. You see how we took out this low right here and printed? I'm gonna show y'all. See how we took out this? 1, 2, these two lows, and then we just, and also this one, and then we just bounced. That was a good move. That was a good move right here. Off this right here, taking out these lows and then bouncing at this previous day low. Also the support line. I should have took that long, but I was you know, the market was so aggressive. Look how fast we're bouncing, right? Look how fast we're moving. Like how many ticks? That's 100 ticks in like in a minute. So it's like gotta be careful, you know. The market is volatile. News is coming out in 8 more minutes. So I'm just trying to be very careful before I like risk any profit because of volatility. We're just we ping ponging up and down, but we still holding this support. This 4-hour fair value gap, this previous day low, right? Can we hold this level? I don't know. I like this. I really do like this. I like this for. Let's see. Yeah, this market is just bouncing up and down. It's pretty much you're either getting in and getting out. You're getting in and getting out. That's pretty much what's happening right now. Either you're getting in and you're getting out. And that's scary. Let me make this a little less opacity. There you go. There's a little less. So y'all can see the 4-hour. 4-hour fair value gap from here to here, right? We're staying above this block right here, which I like. We took out this low, which I like. I like that, you know, it looks good. Can we continue long? Or are we gonna have a continuation short after hitting this block? We're gonna see. But from the higher time frame, this looks a little odd. I ain't gonna lie to you. This looks short. This looks short. To me, this looks short. See? We couldn't break this high. 1 week. Another week we couldn't break it. We came down. Spaceship. Y'all hear that? How many days left on this trade right here? Let's see. Yeah, I gotta be careful, y'all. This is a tricky trade. Tricky market. Tricky market. Oh, we pushing that much? Goodness. My goodness. 5 minutes left. Might see if I can go to a long. I missed that short though. I mean, I missed that long right here based off this bounce. I should have took that. That was my trade. Yes, back above the previous day low. I honestly was waiting for that news to come out. I'm just waiting for that news to come out because that just shows there's so much volume in this market before the news. I'm just afraid that in that consumer confidence report that we might just have a nice jump. So if we can get some more development, I'm gonna take it. I'm just waiting. I'm trying to be patient. Are we at the halfway point of the open range? From here, wait, from here. Oh, actually, that's cap. This is it. 5 minute. Let me see if on a 1 minute. Okay. 2 minute. This might be a continuation. 5 minute prints in 3 seconds. All right, just print it. Whatever you got right here. $15-minute prints in 4 minutes, right? 15-minute prints in 4 minutes. Still watching it. 5 minutes just print it. See if we can get a nice little pullback down into this fair value gap. And I'm gonna try to target. This high. I want to target this high. See if it give us to us this move. Look how we take out them lows, but can we get this nice bounce back down into this fair value gap? Nope. Can we get at least a bounce back into the halfway point of the opening range? Nope. That's crazy. We'll see. The reason why I said we might have I was thinking about a pullback because the 5 minute didn't print past this red candle. We wicked it, but we didn't pass it, so it looked like we can come back down. right? Like we came up here, but we couldn't even print above this block on this green candle. So it's like we bound to come down. And if anybody trying to take a long, you're getting trapped. You see what I'm saying? You might be getting trapped. So you gotta watch this. How much is gonna respect this fair value gap, and how much is gonna respect this order block right here? That's what I'm waiting on. I'm waiting on respect. If I took a, let's say if I took a trade right here, let's say if I took a long, I would want to see more of a print. Okay, we stayed above on a 30-second, stayed above. I might go into this, but I still want to be. I want to be careful. Oh dang, it wants to print. Let me try one. Put a stop below the lows. Risk 30. I might add more of a respect. I don't like this. How we took out this and then we're gonna short probably. Still in 30 just to be safe. 15-minute prints and 2 minutes. This news about to start coming out. Yo, this is about to be crazy. Oh my goodness. Here we go. It's about to get volatile. I see some crazy action. Also on a 4-hour. I should be patient. This is what you call gambling. For real. 2 minutes left. 4-hour prints. Might gotta get out of this. It's probably smart to get out of this trade. Once it pops back up. I'm gonna let this market do what it does. I like this right here. Got a fair value gap right here. Imbalance right here on a 3-minute. I like this. I mean inversion. I just want to see what happens right here. See if I can get a nice move in this range. I like how we stand above this, man. We got a lot going on. We got a lot going on. Gotta be careful. Everything's about to print in 20 seconds, y'all. 20 seconds. About to see. This is crazy. Just a bit right here or something. See how aggressive it's getting? 1 minute left. Look at that little small little range. Kind of crazy. 1 minute left. Uh-oh. $50 left. I had this little block. This might be a nice little entry point. We're gonna see if it respects that. I just want to see what happens right here. I like how we took out these lows. Right here. That was a nice move. See? AMD. We're gonna see. See if we can respect that. Here we go. 20 seconds. I'm adding one, and I'm putting a tight stop right here, right at these lows. Here we go. 1 second left. I don't like how this looks. Almost like it still looks short. But we're grinding higher though, see? Pop. Pop. Still holding. Wow. Where the volume at? Like, I think everybody's waiting. Like, we all just being patient. I'm in one right now, but where's the volume? I would like to see us kind of pull back down into this wick some more, but if not, then this thing's about to take off. Look how this wick always to me indicates like a rocket, you know? We're gonna see. I like this development though, I really do. I'm liking how this looks. We're gonna see. 15-minute. What's my target? What's my target? Maybe these highs. Let me see. 1 minute. I mean, a 1 hour. Something up here. It's a 5 minute. I'm gonna target this hanging right here. I like this. I'm gonna call that target. If we can get that, we can hold it. Hope we don't just move sideways. Okay, okay. Let's see. Holding this level, holding this level. Still waiting for ES to kind of like dip down with a wick or something on this 4 hour. We're respecting the previous day low, respecting this 4 hour fair value gap. We're constantly grinding higher on, like, if you look at it on a 15-minute, look, grinding high, grinding high, grinding high, grinding high, right? I'm liking this. But I just want to see if it has to wick out some more. That's the thing. Does it need one more wick? Fill this block right here. Bing, respect, and then go long, right? Still trying to be patient. Let this market develop. I think it's gonna drop, but I'm in it just to be sure. Got this block right here too. See if we can respect that. Still waiting. I mean, it looks like it wants to drop. See, check out this high twice, 3 times. Yeah, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna wait out of this. This might be a drop. Let's see. Actually, let's go. Place this. Yeah, there we go. Let this develop a little bit more. Maybe it wants to come back down. See how we take out these highs and we just kept rejecting? See? It's like we're not even breaking it. Even this one too. Oh, this thing looks long. Yeah, I don't like it. Okay, we broke that on the 30-minute. Can we do on the 30-second? I mean, on the 15. Can we break it on the 30-second? We did. All right, I might get back into it. I might. I'm shocked. Oh, there we go, the rejection. That thing rejected so fast. Yeah, I might have to wait. It's trying to fake us out, y'all. This really trying to fake us out. Took out those lows. Took out these lows. Took out that low. Especially this one for sure. See? Took out those lows. Took out this one. 1, 2, 3. Took that one out. Bounced we bounced at the support line. We above the previous day low on a 5-minute. We didn't break it. We didn't break it. So I just want to see us sweep. I want to see us come back down into this block and then like just respect it and then we bounce. Unless it wants to, make it short. Whatever the market wants to do, it do. But to me, I'm going long. Even though this market has looked short, see, on a weekly, right? On a weekly, we could even print above. We couldn't even pass this weekend. We got this big, huge rejection. Are we coming back down to fill this imbalance below? Or are we respecting this block right here and going back up to the highs? What does the market wants to do? We filled the majority of this candle. So we're gonna see. You know? We're still in this block, taking out these lows of this block right here, see? Stay within this range, and it looks like, to me, it looks long. It looks like we can go long. I'm just trying to find a range in that, you know, find a way in it. I like this back up to the high, especially at this 4 hour right here. I got a 4 hour right here, crazy. Look at that. All right. Can we go back up? Here we go. I was hoping we take out this low right here. Take out this low, bounce, and then just bing. That's what I'm waiting on. I want to see us just take this out, bounce, and then bing. And I'm going in there. Here we go. This is what I'm looking for. This 4 right here. That's motion. 15. I like that. Come on, take it out. I just want to see it sweep this. Make it blue so I can see it. No, actually make it well, no, that's maybe this color with a little bit of, there it go. Don't do that. Ah, come on. You could even break. He really wants to expect a 3 minute. Come on. This could be fake out, you know? There's a lot of fakes. So I'm just being patient. Is the market ready to blast off? Is it accumulating right now? Because the high time frame looks like he wants to accumulate. See? Right here. See? What's that? Like this. See how we accumulated right here and then we shot down? Took out these lows and then we bouncing up. I just want to see the same thing on a 1 minute. See us accumulate, shoot down, bounce right here at this block, maybe even at this block right here, and then take off. But I want to see the low get taken out first. I want to see the low get taken out first. You might say, oh, this is long. Get in. Get in. Get long. This is it right here. This is the long. Could be a fake out. Could be a trap. Could be a trap. And what's another confirmation for me to go long? I want to see right here. This is what I'm looking for. See this red spot right here? I'm looking for this half point to get like literally touch. I want to see this like half of this opening range. Probably on a 5 minute. Just go, yeah, this is it. Bop, bounce, and that's it. I'm coming. Give me a sec. Mega lane. Mega lane. Come on now. You're ready already? Come on. Seriously? That's ready? No way. Yeah, take this out and come back down and shoot back up. Come on now. 15 minutes, 3 minutes left on the, well, 3:30 on the 15. 3 minutes and 30 seconds on the 15. It took out them highs and then it just shot back down. I just want to see it, bro. I just want to see it respect this 15 minutes area right here. And then we bounce. Dang, calm down. Calm down. Look at that short. That short was something nasty. Y'all see that? Whew. You gotta be careful, patient. You see a big, quick move, and you like, you know, gotta be patient. She's still choppy, still sideways. Took out those highs though. Might shoot back down to the lows. Look at this chop. 2 minute chop. Look at this 3 minute chop. We can't break the range. I might even see about a short. I might short this just to get to my point. Yeah, this looking aggressive. This day can be, look, don't get me wrong, this day can be range. It could be sideways today. This can be just nothing but range, but we don't have to really move. I don't like it. I don't like the price action. Yeah, I don't like it. Almost like it still wants to continue to head a continuous short to fill its hold. Yeah. I'm trying not to change my bias. That's the thing. I'm not trying to change my bias. See, look at this. How we stopped at this block. We're in this range. We're in this range. That's the thing. What does the market still wants to go? Does the market wants to go? Nah. Yeah. See. Tough. It's a tough one, y'all. It's a tough one. I want to look at some other markets, but I don't want to get distracted. I'm trying gold. Gold is still rangy. Well, gold still looks good. Hold up. Hold up. Hold on. We took it out. Hey, I might go into I'm gonna go into one. I just want to see. Put my stop below the lows. I might risk it on this. Oh, we got 15 seconds left on that. I'm gonna let it play out. I'm gonna let it play out. I'm gonna let it play out. Like I initially said I was. I'm gonna let it play out. My target was up here though. 5 minute prints, 15 minute by the print. Yeah, there you go. The print just printed. $15 minutes just printed. Alright. We're gonna let that run. What's up, Rambo? Rambo. What's up? Just rangy. I don't like the price action. Yeah, I don't like the price action. I'm not feeling this wave of what? None of us was on. I was, bro. I was waiting. No way. Yo, I've been had it up. I had it up this whole time. I've been waiting, like, but I mean, if you want to run it still, we can still run it. All right, back to oh. Are we taking off? Oh no, y'all, this looks crazy. Chop fast. No volume. What's going on today? What is this? I don't like it, y'all. I just don't like it. I think this is long. I might have to get back into it. I want to see it just keep holding this range. I might add more. I might add more. Respect that opening range right here. If we could respect this on the 1 minute, if we respect this high, I'm going, bro. I'm just gonna add more. Yeah, I've been on it, bro. I've been on that Discord, bro. Been sitting here the whole time. Her? Ooh, that was a good move. Shit went heavy on that. What's up, random? What's the word? Hey, man, I'm gonna get to it. I'm gonna get to it. Random. Dang, I ain't see you in a minute. Random. Random, where you been? That's random. You just so random. That's my target, though. I just don't like the price action. That's the thing, y'all. I just don't like the price action. That's the whole thing about this. I'm not a fan of it. I like that, but 1 minute would be nicer. Even on a 5 minute, we didn't take it out. What is going on today? What is this volume? That's a good move. We ain't take out these lows. Uh-oh. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this development. I don't like that. That looks like nah. I'm not a fan of that. Give us a red right here, bro. And stand above this. I want to take this to this target. I don't know how many ticks that is, but we're gonna see. From here to there, that's 190, maybe even from here, 150. Wow. not feeling this price action at all. Been on my grind. This bag isn't gonna chase itself. Hey, that's facts. Bag is gonna chase itself. I don't like this price action. I don't like how it looks like it wants to fake out. I don't like that. I don't like how it just it like dips into this and then just takes off. I don't like that either. Not a fan of that. If you're unsure about a trade, don't go heavy. Just one micro it and just accept what you made. Cause I'm not a fan of the way this looks. I'm not. Look at this, bro. Look at this. What is this? This looks like this. Look at this. This is what this looks like. Shoot down, take it out, chop, bing, 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 bing. I'm not a fan of that. That don't even look good. Looking like a lot of trapping. You would have thought this would have went shorter, came down. Look at that. Yeah. What frame are you using? I'm using KVIC. I'm using top step. Toppy step. Let me see. See if I can add they TV on there. Toppy step. Oh, can't. What? Okay. Never mind. That was a move, you know. That was the move. I didn't like how it looked. I wasn't a fan of the look of it. That was the move. It just, you know, I just didn't like the way it looked. See, I like this wick right here. I like this wick, like how we took out these lows. I didn't like how we printed right here past that. I didn't like the 5 minute. I didn't like how we came up here and just kept like we trying to reject this 5 minute. We stayed above this block though. We took out this low. I just didn't like it. It's almost a tricky, you know. It felt tricky. It looked tricky to me. I didn't like this candle on this. But this should have been a green light. They should have told me right here, take this. Pop. Just didn't like the candle, y'all. Wasn't my favorite. That's 200 ticks. Off the bat, I should have known right here. I should have known right here. Yeah. $20 seconds left on the 5 minute. 5 minutes left on the 15. I want to see that get taken out. If we get a deep pullback, if we get a deep pullback into this, I'm gonna add more and go for that target still. 100. I'm going for 100. What's up, Grizz? Do you prefer multiple 50K accounts? I prefer, man, whatever you choose. I mean, if you think you can handle 5 50K accounts, do it. If you're willing to spend the 250, right? 50, 100, 150, 200, 250. If you're willing to spend the 250 on 5 accounts, on multiple accounts, do it. Because when you pay for them PAs, you got to come 750 out of pocket. Straight 750 out of pocket. And then you got to think about if you're gonna risk a lot, you're gonna take your time, you know. So you spend 250. Dang, they got you for the bag. You spend 250 for 5 accounts, and then you buy the PAs for 750 all together. And if you blow them, you gotta take your time. If you know how to risk manage, hey, then more power to you. That's a lot, man. Quick maths. That's a lot. Quick maths. Man, I didn't like this trade. It's not my favorite trade. I didn't like this. I didn't like how it developed. I didn't like how it looked. I didn't like the movement. I didn't like the fake outs. I didn't like it. I'm not a fan of it. I didn't like. I didn't have comfort. I didn't have no comfort in adding more. There was no comfort to me to say, oh, add more. I didn't like it. I didn't. Something told me maybe what if we would have dropped again right here, and then picked up. Cause my biggest thing was to really get in right here. I was hoping to get in. I was hoping to get in right here. This is where I really wanted to get in at. I wanted to get in halfway right here. See if I can make this a little thicker so y'all can see it. See? I'm gonna make this a little different color so I can see it better. I was hoping to get in. Wait a minute. Yeah, I was hoping to get in right here. Halfway, hit this block, take out this low, respect this fair value gap the right way. But I wasn't expecting it to just take off right here, So I was hoping to get in somewhere right here and then take it off. But I didn't like the price action on the 2. I didn't like the price action on the 3. I didn't like it. It just wasn't something I liked. What else? Account size? I'm on 50 right now. When I first started, bro, I was going for the heaviest. I was like, I don't know if I want to spend $2,000-$3,000 every time I pass 50K, 150K accounts. Excuse me. Excuse me. Market was trash. I was too late right here at the bottom. I should have known right here, right when it took out this low. You see this right here? That was my trade. I was being way too soft. I should have known right when we came back down into this block right here. Right when we came back down into this block, I should have known after we took out this low, and that low. I'm gonna show you what I mean. When we took out this low right here, this low, and that low, and also on a 5 minute when we print it, even on a 1 minute, when we print it right at this what is this? This 4 hour? Damn, man, I should have took that long. That was a trade. That was the trade. Yeah, that was a trade. It was beautiful. Yeah. So you look at 5 minute respect. Yeah. That's how you know you gotta take that long. Right there. Bounce at the support line. Right. Still going for this target though. Still going for these highs. Now hear me out. If we see a short that takes us all the way down. If we see a short that takes us all the way down, right? If we see a short that takes us all the way down here and then hit this halfway point, I might go back into the longs. Cause at this moment we wouldn't be shorting. Sure, I should hold it all the way to the highs. But just in case we take out this low hanging fruit right here, just in case we take out this like wick right here. See this wick? And then we just drop. We'll see. I just need a safety net. Market look like it wants to continue to push. See how this rejection? See how we try to come back down? We just couldn't reject. We just couldn't, and then we got this fair value gap. We're gonna see. Market's doing a lot of fake outs. Okay. Let's look at crude oil while we got time. Man, I was thinking about taking this long on crude oil. I didn't I ain't gonna say nothing. I'm not even about to say I was thinking about it though. I just didn't like the price action either. Confirmation on the 5 minute for sure. I should have known. I'm gonna look at RB. Gasolina. Man. Yeah, they everywhere, bro. These moves are everywhere. Yeah. Let's look at lean oil. Lean oil. Heating oil. My bad. Heating oil. Hey yo. See? And what else we have? Let me try copper. Forgot what that is. Oh. Okay, I'm looking at weekly. Ooh. Probably about to drop on me. Dang, wick crazy. Wick crazy. No way. Let me see. Let me put a 1 hour right here. Let me see. Let me see if it's doing anything. See if this 1 hour doing anything. Anything spectacular. Go down to a 5 minute. Holding it though. Holding it. Holding it. Shit, might be a second opportunity right here. Shit, might take it. Might be second op. Might be second op. It's too fast, coach. Well, let me see. We're gonna see. We're gonna see. I'm gonna let the high time frame print. Then again, look how we're rejecting this. Ugh. Ugh. Yeah. That's scary. Five-minute prints. Let's see. Nah, bro. Nah, 5. All right, 5 minute just printed. I wanted to add more. I ain't gonna lie. I hesitated. I liked it how we took it out, but we couldn't break. I wanted to add more, but I hesitated. Let's see if we can give us a second chance. See if we can give us a second chance. I hesitated. I hesitated, y'all. Okay, okay. Just want to drop on me. Okay. This one ugly movement. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Here we go. It can care less about this fair value gap. Getting rangy right here. I wonder why. Don't stop me out, please. That ain't cool, bro. That ain't it. I'm gonna break even my stop. Break even. Just want to see what happens right here. Hold. Yeah, it ain't holding. Five minutes left on the 15. Man, I ain't expect they want to drop off that. Let's see. What is that? Okay. Yeah. Hey, I'll be right back. Sorry about that. My son came. All right, what's going on? Let's see. 2 minutes left on the 15. Starting to not like this no more. A little aggressive. Any other news? Any other news? No. Been 1:30. Okay. Not too crazy. Off. Oh, we pushed off the what you call it? We pushed off the opening range break. The opening range. Oh man. I probably could have added more right here. Oh man, why he can't bug me? We're gonna see though. We still got a minute left on the 15. I just want to see it like hold this, maybe hold somewhere in this halfway point, and we can take off. So you're on 409. Still trying to go for this target though. Still going for that target. Still going for that target. I might even add more. Nah, never mind. Dang, that was perfect. $30 seconds left on the 15. I'm gonna look at gold real quick. Got some gold. Still rangy. About to get tagged out. Even on 4 seconds on gold is crazy. It's about to tag me out probably. YM came back down. I mean Dow came back down. Ooh, that's something. All right, let's get back to MES. I just want to look at this on Confluence with NQ. Surprising them it took me out yet. It's probably gonna take me out now. Probably gonna shoot up. Dang, I should have took that, bro. That was the move. This right here, I should have took that. Oh well, it is what it is. Bouncing off this opening range. See, this is the opening range. See how we bounced off that? That was nice. I probably can keep it a different color. See, maybe pink. You probably can see it better. Alright, let's see. Okay, chop fast. Uh-oh. Oh no. Oh no. Ugh, look at that. We took out those highs. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's about to get cereal. Oh no. I'm not liking this. Yeah, I'm not liking this. It's probably not holding this range. I'm gonna add more to this. I'm going full contracts. If we don't get a pop, I'm getting out. Yeah, I think I went into it's taking out the fractal. I was hoping that we could take out these highs and then come back down. But oh well. My placement is too high. Yeah. Not liking this range. Yeah, not liking it. Chop. Don't like it. Yeah, I don't like it. I was hoping we can hold this and then shoot up, but I guess not. Well, oh well. Ah, well. Oh, why is it such a tough thing to take out some liquidity? Why is liquidity so long? Why does it take so long to take out liquidity? Take it out. Take it out. It's just liquidity. This is crazy that this spot is like a strong spot, bro. Only if I gotta see the behind the scenes. Like, come on. I already got the max up. I don't need to, actually, I could do it. I will. That was tricky. I ain't gonna lie. That was a tricky play. I like the build up. I love how we respected this halfway point, but I just don't like how we just keep faking out. I just don't like the fake out. I don't like that. I don't like the fake outs. I don't like that. I don't like that. See that? That right there. I'm taking out partials. I'm not about to play with this market. I'm not about to play with this market. I'll put my stop right here. That right. I don't like that. See? That right there is annoying, bro. That right there is annoying. Looking like a trap. Yeah. It's trapping. What is that? Why do you do what you do? Why? We got on 2 minutes on the 15 and 30. 2 minutes on the 15 and the 30. I'm out of it. I don't even care if he did take out the highs. I don't even care. At this point, you can take it out all you want. 2 minutes left. That's annoying, bro. That's annoying, bro. I wish I would have got it down here. I wouldn't have to be in this mess. I wouldn't have to be in this mess. 46 left on the 1 hour. Big drop. Oh shoot, that's not good. Let me see. Yeah. Mm. Give us a sweep. Need to be flicking. That has been the model right here. Let's see. Oh shoot. Mm. Markets are really tricky today. I ain't gonna lie, they're tricky. They could be in any direction. They almost look like they want to go up higher time frame and then short lower time frame. But the chop is getting me though. I might call it a day. Honestly, y'all, I might call it a day. Take my profits and call it a day. Here we go. 50 seconds left on the 15. Man, that trade was gorgeous. This looks short, but I don't know. I don't know. It looks short though. It's not the model though. It's not the model. Hmm. Man, these markets are really, really not good at today. Mm. How did I miss that? How did I miss that? Whoa. How did I miss that? Can I get a second chance? Can I get a second chance? Hold on. Mm. Mm. This is a tricky range. I know that it took out the lows. See, I know it took out the lows and it shot and went up, right? It took out the lows and it shot and went up. But we didn't take out no definite highs to me. To me, I feel like we didn't really take out no highs, but I would like to see a short. I'm thinking about shorting, y'all. Thinking about shortening Q. Good thing I did. I still does just. If we don't take this out again, I'm going short. If we don't take this out again, if we take this out and we can't print above this, I'm going short. That's what my plans are. But we should be respecting this range though. Mm. Dang, give me a chance to get in that thing. Bang, 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 bang. Ching. See if we can get that official drop. Yeah, official pop. That was a good play. That was a good one. I ain't gonna lie. That was whew, really had to scope that one. See, we had a continuation back down to the lows. At least probably had back way to on halfway. That's what I'm looking for. I'm breaking even this. I'm not risking no profits on this. If it do, it do. If it don't, it don't. It is what it is. I'm looking to take out these lows all the way down to this halfway point. All right, we in Q, MNQ, 10 micros, 1 mini. See if we can take out these lows. Have a nice push down, maybe sweep. I see that we sweeping this, but I want to see a sweep past this block and come back way to this halfway range. So we're gonna see. We're gonna see. It took a minute, you know, the trade took a minute, but it plays out. Patience. Uh-oh. Run into a hiccup. Run into a hiccup. I don't like it. We're gonna see. Big, nice bounce. Perfect bounce, too. Yeah. Still holding. There you go. See if we can get that flush. Mm. Mm. That was mean. It's holding that perfectly. I'm gonna wait a second on that, see what happens. Dang. Okay. Still trying to be patient. Still trying to be patient. Okay. I don't like this. I don't like how he just respected so strongly right here. To me, yeah, I like that. If it comes back, oh yeah, if it comes back up to this point, I'm gonna take it out. I'm keeping a tight stop. I'm keeping it tight. Okay. 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 All right. All right. Going from lows. All right. Took out partials. Took out partials. Big bounce back up to the highs. You know how I go. That's the game. That was a nice trade. I ain't gonna lie, that was a nice trade, man. That right here was the man. This was like the ice on the cake right here. This right here, that was the ice on the cake. All I gotta do is give thanks to Rambo for pointing it out to me. Shout out to them Fractal boys for making it even happen. That's what fractals do. Look at that big drop. Look at that big bounce back up, bro. Bro, as soon as this market is funny. This market is funny. It's a funny guy. Market is known for making you get mad. What you call it said it best. What's his name? ICT said it best. He said Nasdaq is like a stripper and ES is like a gentleman's club. Nasdaq is like a strip club and ES is like a gentleman's club, because Nasdaq would literally, it's fun. It's fun. The volatility is fun, he said, but it'll hurt. It'll really break your heart. But with ES, it's much slower. You know, ES is much slower. The moves ain't as nice. You know, but the setup is clean. It's clean. But Nasdaq is way more fun. So if you know how to handle Nasdaq, hey, more power to you. But ES is much more of a gentleman's club, like ICT says. Let's see, can we get that swoop? I just want to see us. I just want to see us reject. I'm still holding it though. Just want to see the rejection. Got one buy stop right here though. Just letting it play. Take out these lows and we bouncing right here. I don't know. I don't think that's it. I don't believe that's it. I don't know why I have a feeling that we might have to just continue to come back down. This looks strong and all, but we're gonna see. I have a feeling we might have to hit this low right here. We might just gotta hit that. I'm gonna put this as target. If you're thinking about taking it short, I'm putting that as target. Look how we building above, but we still not breaking above. That's alarming. We're gonna see. Looking high. Might see a rejection and then a short. We're gonna see. Perfect, man. Perfect, perfect, perfect. I'm gonna put a stop at break even. I think that'd be the smart thing to do. Something like that. There we go. And let this ride, you know? Let that trade ride. Look at some other accounts. Look, we got ES. ES ain't really doing much, you know? ES is holding up. It's holding up. It's holding that previous day low. But I was expecting NQ more to like swoop down and maybe feel some of this in this 15-minute opening range. Maybe some of this, you know what I'm saying? Come all the way down here, back to this support, and then bounce. I wasn't expecting it to bounce right here, but we're gonna see. Looks good though. Looks pretty good. Pretty good. And it wasn't breaking. See how I put 50% right here? I put 50% right here because I had a target to go here. So my target was to take out this wick, right? That was my target. But I look at not a 1 hour, even just a 15-minute. I put a 15-minute, 50% half point on this wick, right? Look how on this wick that we stayed up below this wick, right? On the 5-minute, we just constantly respected that 50%. See that? We just kept taking out the high, but we wasn't breaking. Also on the 3-minute, same thing. On the 2-minute, pretty much same thing, right? We're just not breaking it. Even if you go on a lower time frame, it's just not breaking it. So I was like, okay, maybe in this consolidation, this short's want to come in. So I waited for a wick to form, and I waited for these wicks to get taken out. And once I seen a rejection, that's how you grab the short, right? To take out these lows to bounce at this block. That was the play. Or to bounce at this block. Whatever block you want to bounce, it don't matter. I mean, whatever you pick, you know. Yeah. That's how you find trades in a consolidated market. See how it's constantly taking out these highs and just not breaking, not breaking. It has no choice but to what? Come down. And then when it forms and develop more lows, you wait for another sweep and then you take them lows and then pop. See? I got these lines. I got the 50% up that it didn't want to take out on a 15-minute. See? It stayed below that 50%. On a 5-minute, it stayed below. On the 3, it stayed below. On the 2, it kind of went up above, but it still didn't break. And then you got these wicks right here. See how I just did not break? Shorts. This might short, continuation short, because I'm thinking that we might take out this target right here. This is the next target I'm thinking. Right here. Somewhere up in here, especially with this gap. So I'm thinking somewhere up in here we might have a bounce or a drop. We're going to see. But I'm going to get off in a few, though. My kid's in the back. He's probably, I don't know, making crumbs on the bed or something. Okay, if we break, I mean, if we come back up, then it's cool. I mean, I'm cool with it. But we respect this block, that'd be nice. We can keep on rejecting right here. I'm gonna be happy with it. Let me put this right here, see? Put that right there. Oh, hold on, not like that. Right there. Okay, we did break that, but we're gonna see. Okay. Got an imbalance right here for sure. We might have to fill this. We might have to fill this. We might see a big bounce back up to these highs. Just break even this, just to be safe. See? Wait, where's that? Oh, there it is. There we go. See, we got an imbalance right here. Let me see. We got an imbalance right here, so we might have a bounce. We might have like a nice drop, and then bounce back up here. So we might see something like this. We might see where's that. We might see something like this, and then shoot to take up the highs. Something like that. Yo, that's ugly, bro. My bad, y'all. That's ugly. Something like that. Or even something like this. Me. To finally take out the target. But we're gonna see. I don't know if we're gonna bounce right here though. We're gonna see. Oh man. And I also like how ES is below that. I like how ES is right below that opening range. I like that too. Even though we're bouncing, we're in this range. Bounce at the previous day low. We're gonna see. Yeah, we're gonna see. You know what? I might hold this. I might hold this the whole day. Shoot, if we continue, if we have a continuation for them to the shorts, shoot, we're gonna see. I might even hold this if it wants to go all the way down here. It does like it wants to build. After we took out this low, took out this, bounced, came back down, didn't break, shorts. Yeah, this might be a continuation long. Just being patient, y'all. Just trying to be patient. 14 seconds on a 15-minute. Might see a pushback up to these to this block right here. So how we doing this 5-minute? Oh snap. 5-minute right here. Might see a push. 5-minute fair value you got right here. Might see a push into it. Just 4-hour. Get rid of this 4-hour. That's cool and all, but I don't need it. Let's see. Uh-oh, here we go. We've been pushed. Okay, see? Did we take out that imbalance? Okay, we took it out. That's all right. Well, do we have to take that out? I don't think so. See, we took that out. Took it out. Either we're gonna, I don't know if we're gonna take this one out and then drop, or we're gonna just fall at this point. We're gonna see. And the thing is, we're respecting this 5 minute. That's funny. All right. Wake up, and I don't know. Big rejection. She might even add more in this. This might be it. Yeah, Rambo, man. Hey, you know, everybody leaving and going and leaving and going, but hey, this ain't for everybody, man. This ain't for everybody. Only the strong survive. I'm pretty sure people couldn't find. I mean, I'm thankful that I haven't found anything in this consolidation. But I don't know. We're gonna see. I want to see us. I really wanted to see us sweep back down to the lows. I want to see us. We couldn't break. It took us forever to break. Even take out that target, but we're gonna see. Just patience. I waited, bro. I waited for this move right here. I said, hey, if it takes this out one more time and reject, I'm taking it short. Could have went heavier, but look at this, man. Jeez. It's beautiful, bro. It's just can't even deny it no more. Can't even deny the beauty of it no more. It's gorgeous. I ain't gonna lie, Rambo. You helped me out a lot, though. Be honest with you. Shout out to Rambo, y'all. Rambo is the one. He is Morpheus. He is the ghost in the machine for real. He the truth. Oh yeah? Shit, I was looking at platinum, but man, I couldn't. I was exhausted. Dang, you really caught those moves. Hey, that's hard. I see it too, bro. I was like, dang, bro. I don't know. The price point and the cost of it, just I couldn't take it. NG2. I gotta save NG up on here. Hold up. Let me put NG on here. Let me put MNG up here as a contract. I keep forgetting you can trade MNG, you know? Dang. Let's look at that. Oh. Oh my goodness. That was nice. For sure nice. Let's see what's rejection off of. Ooh. Yeah, that was a good clean play. Yes, sir. Ooh. Yeah, for sure. Nice little scout. Oh, yeah. That wick would have told me everything. Like, yup, get into it right now. Bye, bye, bye. I mean, 7. That's nice trade. If you would have caught that. Unless you caught this too. The longs back up to the highs. Checking out that. For sure. Bounce. Back up. That was good. Feel that imbalance below. That's nice. Look at Discord. Yes, sir. Making money. Nice. Ooh, look at that short. Hey, yo, hey. This thing about to be nasty, bro. Fire. Nice. Come on, y'all. Look at this. Just look how it's developing. Look at that. Gorgeous, bro. This is gorgeous. Y'all see it, right? All right, so you see it. Oh, man. Come on, come on. Take the sweep this for sure. Come on, come sweep that. Half point. What? Off the order block at 8:15 on 8:15. Mm. Dang. Ooh, big move came in. Big long came in. Hey, never mind. It wasn't a play. It wasn't a play. Y'all gotta be careful out here. This market did not come to play. It took it up. It finally took it out. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Hold up. Don't get faked out. Don't get faked out. Don't get faked out. Don't get faked out. Let's try another one. You know what? I'm gonna try one. I might try one. I'm just trying to see if it's gonna develop. How many seconds have I got on a 5 minute? 1 minute on a 5 minute. Don't get faked out. Let's see. I had a feeling it was gonna take out that imbalance right here. Bro, shit crazy. Don't get faked out. 5 minute. 40 seconds left on that. Let me see. Are you trying to go for them highs again? Nah. 5 minutes on the 1 hour too. MNQ 945 candle order block 945 945 945 945. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know. I like these shorts, bro. doesn't want to give it. I'm trying to short right here. Oh, no. Wrong. Hey, yo. I think I might try a short up here. If it does reject again, I'm taking a short. Really? Really? Maybe that wasn't it. That was probably not. That's too small of a time frame. I need a higher time frame. I'm in a small time frame. Gold was a good buy. You know what's crazy? I saw that, bro. That was actually a great buy. And when I seen that block, bro, and I seen that it dipped in like this, I missed it. I wasn't paying attention to it, but I noticed that when it dipped into this, I thought it was going to short off this 4 hour, but that was invalid. That was definitely invalid. As soon as I seen it dip this right here, I'm gonna show you. Yeah, as soon as I seen it dip off of that and then bounce, I knew right then and there. Off that order block right here, bow. I gotta get back to NQ though. I'm gonna get to it though. I'm gonna get to it if it don't drop on me. Let's see. I'm going back. I'm getting it back in NQ. Oh well. I'll risk it. Oh well. I wanna see these lows get taken out, bro. Maybe not. No, whatever. But yeah, back to what I was saying. When we dipped into that 4 hour, right? We respected it once right here, respected it twice, and we took out that low. I should have known right then and there we was going long. I should have known right there, bro. That was it. That was it. And look how we respected that 4 hour right here, bro. On a 15. Oh, came back down, swoop. Me. A lot of consolidation, but still grinding higher though. A lot of consolidation, but still grinding higher. Give us that move, NQ. Give us that move. Give us that move, NQ. Don't play with them. It's playing with them. Oh well, whatever. I thought we was gonna get that short. You might be right with that order block with the at 9:45. Might be right about this. I was hoping that we'll come back down into it though. Yeah, you're right. Man, bro, I was hoping we'll constantly reject this and keep rejecting it. But we still can. We'll see. Nah. That's whack. I must want to take out this one. I don't know. Oh well. But gold was a great buy. And Q was just a lot of chop. Yeah. Yeah. Like, duh. Sleep. Sleep, no. There you go. It's bad. Yeah. Yeah. I'm exhausted, y'all. Look, honestly, I'm gonna take my 800. I'm about to hop off. I'm exhausted, y'all. Real exhausted. Really hope y'all really enjoyed the stream. If you knew, you probably wasn't here in the beginning. But yeah, I'm about to go ahead and throw this word up one more time. All right, one more time for this word. Psalms chapter 71. Before I get off, I'm gonna give y'all that word real quick. Psalms chapter 71, verse 20. Though you have made me see troubles. Hold on. Though you have made me see troubles, and many and bitter troubled, many bitter troubled days. You know, He made us see a lot of troubled days, allowing us to face our battles and make our own mistakes. But He says that He will restore our life again from the depths of the earth, and He will again bring us up. He will increase our honor and comfort us once more. So when we put our faith and trust in the Lord and Savior Jesus Christ, He will bring us out of the darkness into the light, and He will restore us, giving us new strength, renewing our strength, renewing our minds, creating us as new creations. Even though we might see ourselves falling down, we might see ourselves stressed out, we might see ourselves doubting ourselves, worrying, anxiety, depression, no matter what it is. We are in some dark spots. I mean, a lot of y'all that's watching are in some dark times. But if we continue to go back to our Lord, go back to God, and continue to give our faith into Him, He will bring us out of that darkness. We got a song right here from David, Psalms chapter 23, verse 1. The Lord is our shepherd. We have all that we need. Even when we don't think we have what we need, we have all that we need. If you have God, you have all you need. It's just that simple. Even when you don't think you have it all, as long as you have God, you have it all. He lets us rest in green meadows. He leads us beside quiet waters. He renews our strength. He guides us along the right path, bringing honor to His name. Even when we walk through the darkest valley, we will not be afraid because He is close beside us. His rod and His staff protects us and comfort us. Remember to put your faith and trust in the Lord Jesus. He will protect you. He will comfort you. He will bring you out of your darkness. I'm telling you. If you have depression, you have anxiety, you have stress, you have worry, you have doubt, whatever it is, surrender it to the God, surrender it to the Lord, and He will deliver you from it. All you have to do is pray to Him, meditate on His word day and night, call out to Him, and He will come close to you. He's always there. He's just waiting for you to call on Him and to love Him and to ask for Him, and He will show Himself and reveal Himself. That's the truth. God bless y'all. I'm about to hop off. I am exhausted, and I'll